Alright, so I want to make a quick video showing how to change transmission fluid on the 8th gen Civic Si. So we're under the car. The light, you can see right here. This is the drain that I'm touching the flashlight onto. It takes a 3/8 drive ratchet, and then right above it, up there, 17 mil right there. That's the fill plug. Removing the fill plug to let the air go in. There we go. As soon as I pulled that fill plug, you could see how much more fluid comes out. There's the fill plug. It's got a washer. Make sure you don't lose that washer. Keep it all together. I was running royal purple, so that's why my fluid is so dark. It actually looks pretty clean. It's not that old. I just want to try a different product, and I'll show you what I'm going to be working with here. Let this drain for a little bit. Alright, so here's the new product I'm going to be trying out. It's from Redline, MTL GL4 high performance lubricant for manual transmissions and transaxles. Full synthetic. So I went on Redline's website, typed in my vehicle, year, make, and model, and this is what they suggest for this transmission. Also, this will really help filling the transmission with the fluid. It's a pump. Pretty simple. You put it into the bottle, screw it on, and you pump your fluid right in. It has a nice hose, probably 12-inch long hose. It's just wrapped up in here, but it really makes filling the transmission a lot easier. Alright, so I got my bottle, the pump inserted right here. I've got my hose, so I'm going to put it right up here into the fill, if it'll cooperate. Try to get it in there a few inches at least, as far as I can. And you just want to go slow with this. Make sure that the fluid's actually going in, not coming out. Go slow. This is a hell of a lot easier than trying to fill it from above. I mean, I really can't think of any other way to do this, to be honest. You can't get a funnel in there. And this is pretty much it. So do yourself a favor and buy one of these pumps. They're super cheap. I got this one on Amazon for I think maybe 10 bucks. So this is my second time changing the transmission fluid. So I knew that I needed more than one bottle. This will take about 1.5 of these bottles to fill the transmission.